Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install the Sparky Linux KDE desktop. So let us start. I have already downloaded the ISOs. Open it in boxes to create the virtual machine. Since Sparky Linux is based on Debian, we can use the Debian image template. Increase the RAM size to 4. Sparky Linux US English, Sparky Linux US English, no splash, so there will be no splash screen. Sparky Linux failsafe, Sparky Linux store RAM, I don't know what that is, we will have to check it out. Sparky Linux text mode, boot the first hard disk, more languages, and the hardware detection. So what we will do is we will go with the first one, that is the Sparky Linux US English. So the splash screen is quite nice. I like the design. Oh, very nice design. Very minimal design language. I think it is booting into a live KDE desktop. Yes. So this is the live KDE desktop. And you have got a welcome screen here, just like in many other Linux distros. So the home page, forums, wiki, git repo, donate, app center, upgrade, about, system info, and backup is there. So this is nice one. All the things that are expected in a welcome app is there. So I will now close this. We will directly go to the installation, and in the review video we will check out the welcome app. So let us start the installation. So they have provided a Calamos installer. We'll hit on next. The local is properly selected. We will go with English India with rupee option for the keyboard layout. We will do manual partitioning. Create a partition table with MBR style, or we can go with GUID GPT also. Let us go with GPT because most of the people is going to use GPT on their bare metal device. Create. We will create 800 MB. So don't create EFI partition less than 800 because in many some of the systems the system will not boot after the installation is complete. So there is a bug. We had encountered this bug in one of the Linux distros, that is Spiral Linux. So don't go for any EFI partition below. (32) or 800 MB. So the file system is FAT32. Okay, file system is FAT32. Give it a boot flag. Select OK. Create a 8 MB unformatted space and give it a flag BIOS grub. Now we can go with a swap. Give it a 2000 swap will be good enough. Linux swap. Select the swap flag. That's done. Now the remaining space will be the root partition. We can go with any of these file systems. ButterFS, yes, it is there. Okay, so we will go with the extended 4 only and select the root flag. So we are done with the partitioning. Install bootloader on master boot record of VDA, that is the virtual hard disk. Now we will have to select select next. Okay, the warning was there. So we are done according to warning, so there is no need to worry. So there is an option to use the same password for administrator account. That's great. Some Linux distros don't offer this, So we have seen in Tuxedo OS, the use same password for administrator account was not there. So it is here in the Sparky Linux, because it is based on Debian and Debian provides this facility. Now select next, check out the partition scheme and the other summary, keyboard layout, locations. So everything is okay. Let us go and install. So there is no reconfirmation dialog box. On hitting the install, it will start the installation. So if you have done something wrong, you cannot go back at this stage. Now we have to wait for the installation to complete. So with this, we are done with the installation of Sparky Linux KDE desktop. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the KDE desktop of Sparky Linux. See you. Bye bye.